Hello everyone. Today we will learn and write very short and easy speech on Defense Day. So let's start. Assalamu Alaikum, or you can say good morning everyone. My name is Faham. Today is 6th September, which is celebrated every year as our Defense Day in Pakistan. On this day in 1965, Indian soldiers attacked Pakistan, but Pakistani soldiers fought bravely and won the War of Indo-Pak. 6 September is a proud day for our nation. It is a day to honor the heroes and remember their courage, sacrifices, and dedications. Let's be grateful and thanks them for their bravery and keep Pakistan a strong and safe place. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad. Thanks for watching.